All right, everybody, welcome to this Daisy video. In this video, we are going to discuss a special promotion that was implemented into the Daisy smart contract, and we'll start with the relaunch of Daisy. And this is the 5 days grace period. So let's first discuss how the standard grace period works. And the standard grace period lasts 48 hours, so 2 days, and they begin right after the sign up. Okay, so right after you sign up, the 48 hours start. So every member will have his or her own 48 hours. And in this period, there will be no metrics qualification required. So that basically means that you will have access to all 10 generations without actually qualifying for them, right? So you will benefit from all members sitting in those 10 generations. Okay, so the special promotion, the relaunch grace period will have 5 days instead of 2 days. Okay, and in those 5 days, the same thing will happen as with the standard grace period. No matrix qualifications required, and you will have access to all 10 generations with no qualification required. Okay. So there will be different types of members. First, existing members. Okay, so those members that have already signed up, that are part of the Daisy Smart contract, those 53,000 members. Okay, they will have exactly 5 days. Okay, 120 hours. There will be members joining right after relaunch, like a couple of minutes after relaunch. They will have almost 5 days minus those couple of minutes that will take them to sign up. Okay, and then members joining 1 day after relaunch, they will have 4 days, and then members joining 2 days after relaunch, they will have 3 days. Members joining 3 days and 4 days after relaunch will have 2 days, because the 2 days is standard, so they cannot be less than 48 hours, right? So even members joining after 4 days after the relaunch, they will still have 48 hours, because that's standard, that's the minimum. Okay, so what will happen in those 48 hours? Let me first show you the standard qualification rule, right? What will happen outside of the grace period? So outside of the grace period, you will have to qualify for the different generations. So if you want to unlock generation 6, you will have to have 12 personal members that have contributed at least $8,000. And that will enable you to benefit from those members sitting in generation 6, which can be up to 729 members. Okay, so this is the standard qualification process. Okay, so let me show you what will happen. What will happen during the grace period? Okay, all the requirements will go back to 0. Okay, you will have to have zero members, 0 direct members to unlock generation 6, and they will have to contribute 0 sales, right? And that will enable you to benefit from all members, right? Sitting in generations 1 to 10 with no qualification needed. Okay, so if you have a strong sponsor that will get you people in generation, let's say 6 and 5, right? But you're only qualified for generation 3. In those 5 days, you will still benefit from those members. Okay, you will benefit from all members in all 10 generations for the first 5 days. Okay. I hope this video helped you to understand the grace period. If you still have questions, join our Telegram group. You will find the link down below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.